In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to disassemble and then reassemble your Wellington high shine water dispenser.
I'm Kirby Allison, and I love helping the well-dressed acquire and care for their wardrobes. Join me as we explore the world of quality, craftsmanship, and tradition.
The high shine water dispenser is one of my favorite accessories, right up there with the high shine chamois, that I think that anyone that's spending a lot of time shining their shoes, and especially working on that mirror shine, really deserves to treat themselves to, because it really helps make that process go by so much more efficiently. Now, these high shine water dispensers, unfortunately, are prone to jamming. Sometimes during the transit process, they can be shaken apart. So this, unfortunately, is a new one right out of the box that if you received this, you'd probably be pretty upset. But I just want to show you how easily this can be reassembled to make it work. So there's a few parts. First, of course, is the glass base. And then we have the dispensing mechanism, which is a few different pieces. So you've got the long shaft. Inside of this, there's two different parts. One, you have the spring, which I'm gonna just put right here so I don't lose it. And then second, you've got this really tiny little ball bearing, okay? So those are the two pieces there. And then you have the top part, which is what you actually press down. And this is a few different pieces itself. This bottom bit unscrews, and then you've got a small ball bearing in there also. I'm gonna put this back. And then you've got this bit right here, which is what helps secure it on the plastic lid. Let's see, and then this unscrews also. So a few different parts here. Right, so what I would recommend is if this becomes jammed, just take it apart, make sure all the parts are there. I'm gonna re-screw this into the dispensing dish. I'm gonna put this piece threads down onto that shaft. Okay, I'm gonna set that upside down. You just wanna confirm that that ball bearing is in there, and then you just simply put it in to this little cylinder. It's gonna seat right at the bottom. You see where that hole is? It just settles right there. And then you're gonna screw this onto the bottom of this element that forms a little dispensing tray. I'm gonna turn that upside down just so that I've got everything there. And then here is the little dispensing shaft that goes into the high shine water dispenser. Same thing here. You've got this ball bearing. Just need to drop that into the bottom. You've got the spring. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, put it in top of this little plastic thing, and then you're going to screw this together. Now what happens is these threads and that little element has got a small little washer on top is what secures it to the lid that you then put on top of this, right? So that's secure, it's not gonna wiggle around. Put it in here and screw it, and you can see the spring is activated, and then you've got those two ball bearings where it needs to be. So it can be a little frustrating if this arrives and it's disassembled. We try to check all of these before we ship them. Sometimes we forget or we just miss one, or to be completely honest, during the transit, just the vibration can cause some of these parts to just unscrew if they haven't been screwed on very tightly. So if you wouldn't mind taking a few minutes and just reassembling this, it's really easy. If for any reason you're missing any of these parts, contact customer service and we'd be more than happy to send you a new one of these high shine water dispensers.